Magna House is an exclusive development of only 7 luxurious apartments located in the heart of Atherstone, fitted to an extreme high standard with video intercom access, courtyard and gated parking. If you are looking for low maintenance, town centre living, then these apartments would tick the boxes for you. These apartments are located on the ground floor and the first floor and consist of an impressive lounge with an open plan kitchen, double bedroom and a fitted wardrobe with a luxury modern bathroom. These apartments can also be run as service apartments and also as long let, which will offer investors 6 to 8% rental yield. Atherstone has great railway links with an hourly service 7 days a week to London, Crewe and Stoke-on-Trent. Atherstone's economy has expanded rapidly since the 1980s. In addition to Magna House, it's 20 minutes away from the Hamsall Business Park, which is home to massive companies such as JLR, BMW, Sainsbury's, DHL, and many more.